Hello guys, this is Akmal from A1 Technology. If you have a blur image, you wanna unblur this image by using AI power, so this video is only for you. I'm gonna show you how to remove blur from an image, just one click with AI power. So why you are waiting? Let's get started. What I have to do, first I'm gonna click on Chrome browser and then I have to search pickwiz.com. After that you have to open the first website. Pickwiz is an AI powered photo editing software. You can remove backgrounds, photo retouch, photo portrait enhance, photo color raise, image to take, and much more thing you can do this. And also if you want, you can convert your PNG image into JPG. You can also enlarge with losing quality, compress, crop, and much more thing you can do this. So today I'm gonna unblur my image, so I have to click on unblur faces. After that I have to upload my images here. So I have a blur image. This blur image I wanna unblur. I wanna remove blur from this image. So what I have to do, first I have to upload this image on Pickwash. So after uploading, it will take some time and you can see it's processing. Wow, processing is completed. So you can see before and after result. If you want, you can download this image into free. You don't have to pay any money and don't have to purchase. After clicking on the download button, you can download it in one click. So you can see my image is downloaded. Now I'm gonna open this one. So here you can see the result. Wow, I get a unblurred image with a high quality look. So I'm gonna show you the before and after result. So this is the before and this is the after result. So hope this feature will help you guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos.